Sometimes it gets stuck in reverse, and you gotta pull it hard. Alright, so this is my new 1999 Volkswagen Beetle TDI with 248,000 miles. I got rid of the Volvo. This replaced the Volvo because the Volvo was having a lot of problems with the transmission, the engine, and I couldn't afford to get it fixed. So I got this. I got it for $2,300. I got it yesterday, August 11th, for my 22nd birthday, and I love the car. It's got a 1.9 liter 4-cylinder TDI with 90 horsepower, and radio kind of works, but not a giant fan of it. Yeah. Then they can push that in. AC controls. The AC currently doesn't work right now. Just blows hot air. Hazards, defroster, mirror defroster, power locks, windows, trunk and gas, headlights, fog lights, cruise control, wipers, flower holder, it's got fog lights. Probably can't notice it much, but has aftermarket headlights and taillights. It has Mark IV Jetta wheels on it, and that's about it. No performance mods or anything done to it, just a few appearance mods, and it's got the clock up here. It's just a really nice car. Headliner's a bit saggy. I'm gonna get that replaced soon. Vanity mirror. Power locks, and yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just let me know, and I'll try to respond. Alright, I hope you guys have a good day, and subscribe if you like, and alright.